Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. It's been almost 8 months since we started running the Valvoline Restore and Protect 5W30 in my 2021 Ford F-150 3.5 liter EcoBoost. Now, when I started using this oil, I noticed a few immediate benefits. Number one, there was a slight improvement in fuel efficiency. Number two, it idled smoother. The engines ran quieter. Now, the reason why I run this oil on my F-150 is to keep all of the passages within the engine clean and clear of any carbon deposits. It is my belief that if you can maximize the contact between metal surfaces and oil without any deposits in between, the engine can manage heat a little bit better. With these modern engines, they're starting to pack more and more power in a small volume of the engine. And so I think it's more important than ever to make sure that heat is under control so that you can extend the life of your engine. In today's video, what I wanted to show you is my latest oil analysis that I did through Lake Speed. In the winter of 2025, what I did was I ran an oil analysis. Lake Speed found that there was some fuel dilution going on, and that impacted the viscosity of the oil. And so he had recommended running a PEA cleaner, something like a Techron or Redline. So what I ended up doing was running 2 bottles of the Chevron Techron in my 36-gallon fuel tank. So after I did that, I ran the oil for another interval before sending it in for testing. One of the things that I also tried in the most recent interval is using a pre-oiled disposable filter. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys the oil analysis and then we can chat a little bit about what that all entails. All right, well, let me know what your thoughts are. It looks like that viscosity has really maintained itself within a desirable range this time around for the oil analysis. Whereas in the previous one, you can see that the levels were a bit off from what is considered normal. And so I attribute that to the Techron and running it in a full tank. One other thing that you might notice is the silicon levels have doubled since our last oil analysis. What I'm gonna do moving forward is move the engine oil filter to a conventional paper-based filter to bring those levels back down. But all in all, really happy with the Valvoline Restore and Protect. I'm going to continue using it indefinitely in my F-150 and keep you guys posted on how things go. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.
Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.